Hey G Squad, welcome back on sort of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is an office chair. If you can see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the product looks like, and it will show you guys how to assemble it. So when you guys first open it, you can see how inside all well packaged and everything, and it is protected. But let's take everything out. So once you guys take everything out, this is everything that's included inside. So we do have the seat right here. We have the arm part right here. And here we do have the other arm. Right here we do have the back part. Here we do have the bottom part of the feet, or the legs. If you guys open this one, right here we do have the part for you guys to put on top like this. And then for this part right here, you're gonna put this part underneath the seat, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then for this bag right here, we do have the wheels. We do have the last part of the leg. They give you guys a tool for you to screw it on. Here we have some more tools and the screws as well. And here we do have an envelope if you guys to open up. Inside the envelope is basically a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. So now let's set it up to show you guys how to actually set it up. So first thing I want to do is to put the last part of the leg on like this and push it backward all the way until it locks in. Once you guys lock it in, then you guys can work on the next step. So the next step is for you guys to put on the wheels. So for the wheels, it's actually very easy for you to set it up. All you need to do is just push it in to lock it in. Once you guys finish that step, you guys want to turn it around. And you guys want to put this on top. Once you guys finish that part, you guys want to work on the seat. So you guys want to put the arm on one side. You guys want to turn this around. Once you guys flip it around, you guys want to put this on top. And you guys want to make sure the side that say front is facing F, not on B. And what you guys want to do is to get the 4 screws, which is 8x4. And you guys want to screw it on. So you should be able to put one here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. And you basically want to use a tool to actually screw it in. Same thing for all the other ones. Once you guys are done, now you can work the next step. So the next step after this is for you guys to set up the arms. And when you guys set up the arm, you guys want to make sure to set up correctly. You guys want to push it down like this. And that is how you guys know which side is which. So this will be on the left, and that will be on the right. Let me put on the right one to show you guys how to set it up. So you basically want to take out the screw right here to actually screw it on. And you guys are going to need 3 of them on each side. So you guys want to put it right here and screw it in. So you guys make sure all 3 of them goes in first before you guys tighten it up. Alright, so once you guys got all 7 in, now you guys can tighten it up. Alright, now you're going to do the same thing for our side. Alright, so once you guys finish that step, what you guys want to do right now is to put this on top. So you guys want to fit this whole part right here onto that part right there. So just like this. Once you guys got it in, the last thing for you guys to do is to put this on top in the back part right here. It should fit in there perfectly. And then on the side right here, they do have an option for you guys to screw it. Same thing for the bottom part. So there should be 2 on this side and 2 on this side. But you guys want to make sure both sides goes in first. So just like that. Now you can put the screw on both sides. So there should be a total of 4 screws left, besides the backup option that's provided for you. So you basically want to put 2 on this side and screw it in. Alright, now do the same thing for our side. So once you guys fully set it up, this is basically what it looks like. So very easy and very simple, didn't take that long. I think that took me less than half an hour to fully set it up. And there's actually one more thing for you guys to put it on if you guys want to, which is basically this part. So pretty much where you guys do put it if you guys want to, is literally on the side right here and the other side as well, to kind of cover up and make it look a little bit nicer if you guys want to, but it's not required if you guys don't want to. So once you guys do fully set it up, this is basically what the chair looks like. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here, it's like a white color. They do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. So for the seat itself, when you guys do feel it, it definitely has a very good cushion on here when you guys do feel it, which is really nice. I believe the fabric or the material that's on here is breathable, so if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. Same thing for the back part here, it is like a mesh material that's also breathable as well. For the arm part right here, they don't really have much of a cushioning, but you do have the option to raise it up and raise it down. So that way, if you guys want to raise it up and just push it in underneath your desk, you do have the option available, which is really nice. And then obviously for the chair, you do have the option to turn 360 if you guys do want to. And when you guys do move it around, it is kind of loud, but you can see it actually glides really smoothly. And when you guys do lift the product, it's not that heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight, which is really nice. And then on the side of the product, they do have a lever for you guys to actually raise it up and raise it down. And I believe you do have the option to rock it back and forth. So I'm gonna sit down on here to show you guys how it works. So if you guys do sit down, once you guys do sit down on here, it actually feels really nice. Even for the arm part right here, even though it does not have the cushion option, it does feel pretty comfortable when you guys do put it on here. And like I mentioned, for the chair, it does have a rocking option. So if you guys want to rock it back and forth, feel free to do so. If you guys want to lock it so that way it won't rock anymore like this, what you're going to do is push the part in. And once you guys push it in, I can't rock it anymore. So if you guys want to keep it at a certain position, you do have the option available. And for this lever option, you do have the option to raise it up and raise it down like I mentioned. So if you guys do use it, that is basically how high it can go. If you guys use it again, it basically brings it down. So if it's too high or too low, you do have the option available to actually adjust it. In the bottom part of the part right here, they do give you guys the option to tighten up or loosen it based on your own preference. But right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. If you guys are curious about what the weight capacity that's on here, the weight capacity that's on here is 250 pounds. So as long as you guys are under that weight limit, then you should be fine. And I do want to mention when I do sit down on here and lay back, I do like the material that's in the back. It does feel really comfortable to give you guys that back support, especially if you guys are sitting for a long period of time, whether if you guys are doing work or if you guys are gaming or something, it is actually very convenient. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, however you guys want to use it and wherever you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this office chair, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality office chair that's very easy for set up and give you guys everything that's on here in terms of mesh material, a very nice cushion, the arm part here that is adjustable for you to raise up and raise it down, and so much more that I mentioned, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.